Hi, welcome in Knowledge Through Scholar channel. Today I am going to talk about three amazing software which is related to video animation and whiteboard application. So I choose three best applications which are used by large number of people. Two of them are paid while one of them are totally free. So let's talk about them one by one. First of them is Videoscribe. This is one of the best video animated software as well as for whiteboard application. Here you can see some of the feature. You can make videos according to your project. For example, if you are a researcher, you can draw your research activities. If you are a teacher, you can deliver videos for your student according to your choice. If you want to tell story to your audience, they have also built-in template available you can utilize. Even if you want to promote your business, so you can make promo video for your products. They have also large number of templates. You can explore all of them one by one by visiting their official website. I will provide the link in the video description. Even you can explore more about this through YouTube because different people talk about this. And the last second one is Dudley. Dudley is one of the best and most popular video animation software. This is one of the best because they have large number of templates as well as large number of character available. You can utilize, even you can import your own picture and make them as animated. Furthermore, they have also some feature which is not available in the other. For example, here you can see 7 different type of hands according to your choice. So if you are interested to buy this for your plan, they have 3 different plan: monthly plan as well as annual plan. Also lifetime plan also available. For example, click on pricing, you will see different. Okay, so for a month the basic plan is $39, for annual $69. So this is also good choice, but they have also option available. You can buy for lifetime as well, just pay by $70. So if possible I will provide the link in the video description too. So in the list, the third one is Mango Animation. Oh wow, this is also one of the best application, and it is very cheap and also totally free because for the new beginner they have also a free version available. You can utilize some of the feature which is very low cost. Even you don't need to pay for them. So they have different application for animation as well as whiteboard application, so you can download it separately. Even you can, if you are interested in character making, so also they are available. Okay, but keep in mind, don't try crack version of Mango, Dudley and Videoscribe because there are large number of scammer available. They will hurt your system honestly. Okay, so if we compare the price of the Videoscribe, it is little bit expensive, but they have large number of feature as compared to Doodly and Mango app. For example, if you want to buy for monthly, so it almost similar to the Doodly, 39, and for a month if you buy for a year, but for lifetime it is more expensive, almost $1,000. Okay, so this was the previous one, Dudley, 39 and 69 per year. Okay, now if we compare the price of Mango, so this is very cheap, only $7. Only $7. So I recommend this, especially for those who are new in this domain and want to make video. So at the end, if you are new at my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. See you in